Ladies and gentlemen, grab your tinfoil hats, strap on your hazmat suits and brace your ball sacks, because this is Craven Moorhead, your renegade weather warrior, delivering the most unfiltered, batshit insane weather report for the UK, where the skies look like a chemtrail orgy gone wrong. The whole damn country's caught in a meteorological shitstorm that's got us all wondering if Mother Nature's been roofied by a shady cabal of sky-spraying bastards. It's colder than a polar bear's dick one minute, then hotter than a dragon's ball sweat the next. Why, you ask? Because the heavens are choking on a chemical cocktail of geoengineering fuckery, and we're all breathing it in like lab rats in a globalist petri dish. Let's break it down, you truth-hungry heathens. Right now, the UK's under a blanket of engineered bullshit so thick it's like the sky's been painted by a schizophrenic chemist with a fetish for aluminum oxide. Those aren't clouds hanging over Birmingham, Bristol and beyond. Those are persistent contrails laced with barium, strontium and fuck knows what else, sprayed from high-altitude planes like some dystopian crop duster on steroids. The powers that be call it solar radiation management or climate control. But let's cut the crap. They're turning the atmosphere into a toxic piñata and we're the ones getting whacked. This geoengineering horseshit is no conspiracy theory. It's as real as the metallic taste in your mouth after a deep breath of this aerosolized arse gravy. Down in London, it's a muggy 22 degrees Celsius, but it feels like you're wading through a sweaty armpit in a chemical sauna, thanks to the humidity and that silvery haze blocking out the sun. Up in Manchester, it's a measly 15 degrees with rain that smells like a scrapyard after a bender, probably because those sky trails are dumping heavy metals faster than a dodgy mechanic. Scotland? Jesus wept, it's like winter's squatting in the Highlands, 10 degrees with winds that'll blow your nuts clean off, and a sky that looks like it's been scribbled on by a toddler with a chemtrail crayon. Over in Wales, expect 12 degrees and a drizzle that's suspiciously slick, like the atmosphere's been lubed up with nanotech sludge. And don't even bother looking for the sun anywhere. It's cowering behind a curtain of engineered fuckery thicker than a politician's skull. This geoengineering bollocks isn't just about cooling the planet, like they claim in their fancy white papers. Nah, this is about control. Control of the weather, control of the crops, control of your goddamn lungs. They're spraying this shit on purpose, turning our summers into a schizophrenic mess where you're pulling on a parka 1 hour and stripping to your skivvies the next. Farmers are scratching their heads as their fields turn to dust or drown in freak floods. Bees are dropping like they've been huffing paint thinner. And us? We're down here coughing up our insides, wondering why our kids are sneezing sparkles and our gardens look like a post-apocalyptic film set. Wake the fuck up, people! Those crisscross patterns in the sky aren't just planes having a laugh. They're a chemical middle finger from the elite, and we're all getting flicked. For today's forecast, expect more of this bipolar bullshit across the board. In the southeast, Kent's getting a dose of patchy drizzle that's probably laced with enough nanoparticles to make your dog glow in the dark. Up north, Newcastle's stuck at 16 degrees with a fog so dense it's like the sky's chain smoking. Over in Northern Ireland, Belfast is shivering at 13 degrees under a blanket of chemically induced clouds that refuse to fuck off. And if you're planning a barbecue anywhere, good luck. You'll need a flamethrower to cut through the haze and a priest to exorcise the demons running this weather racket. This has been Craven Moorhead, your weather prophet of truth, screaming into the void while the Met Office sips tea and pretends this is all normal. Grab an umbrella, a gas mask and a megaphone because it's time to call out this sky-shitting insanity. Check the skies, check your balls for courage, and don't let these geoengineering wankers pull the wool over your eyes. Back to you in the studio, you corporate shills, probably sipping champagne with the same bastards spraying our skies. Fuck them all! And please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, share it for others to enjoy as well. Don't forget to check out Liam Stoneley before he checks out. Bye for now.